Can I add more than one brand in my Amazon FBA Seller Central? Well, this question I got more oftenly on my Facebook group. Like, there are many people who want to work on their Amazon FBA Seller Central, but they want to work on more than one brand, maybe 2, 3 or even more. Because in many cases, when you're selling some different kind of products, for example, you are selling kitchen products and at the same time you are selling sports product, and you don't want to launch those sport products under one brand name, but you want to register different brands for each of these products, right? And you want to put all of your kitchen products under one brand name, and you want to put all of your sports products under another brand name. So most of the people are having confusion that if they want to work on two brands, so can they do with only one Amazon Seller Central, or they need more than one Amazon FBA account? So basically in this video, I'm going to explain you that it is 100% possible to register and add more than one brands and more than one trademark in your single Amazon FBA Seller Central. So to do that, you don't need a second Amazon FBA account, and you can do this with your current Amazon FBA account. So if you want to learn how you can do that, then watch this video step by step without skipping any part. Because as you know that in this channel, I usually create troubleshooting videos regarding e-commerce. So whenever you find any issue, you can just simply go on my channel, find out that particular issue and resolve that instantly. So you don't have to waste too much time in finding the solution, and you can use that same time into growing your business, into marketing, and start getting more and more sales for your e-commerce business. So if you haven't subscribed yet, then make sure to subscribe to watch more solution-driven videos like this. But before getting started, if you are tired of the daily grind, then let's build the life of freedom together. Join my Facebook group where people of all ages are actually learning how to create passive income by online selling and affiliate marketing with no money. And after joining that Facebook group, you can just shoot me up the message. Then as per your condition, I will guide you the exact roadmap that will actually work. Because if you are not able to make money online yet, that means you are just watching YouTube videos, you are having too many information in your mind, and you don't know where to start. So if you learn from my proven strategies which actually work, then you will be able to achieve your goal. So let's start your journey today. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have opened my Amazon Seller Central, right? So from here you can see that if I click on the left menu and scroll down, so here I can see this brands tab, and when I go there, I can see 4 options. Number 1, brand analytics. Number 2, manage your brands. Number 3, customer reviews. And number 4, build your brand. So if you click on manage your brands and build your brand, so you can see these 2 windows, manage your brand and build your brand. So here if I go and manage my brand, you can see that in my brand portfolio, I am having only one brand, right? And here I can see that brand, and on the right side, I can see this button, remove brand, right? And on the top, I can see this new button called add a brand. Here we can get a search option as well, where we can basically search any brand. So that proves that Amazon 100% allow you to add more than one brand, maybe 2, 3, 5 or even 10 brands, right? So basically you can work with multiple brands with your same Amazon Seller Central account. So here if you want to add another brand, so all you have to do is click on this add brand button, and then on the right side you have to search for that brand. But before searching that particular brand, first of all you have to get that brand registered with Amazon, right? So if you get your trademark and brand registered with Amazon Brand Registry, then only you will be able to add that brand here in your Seller Central. So if you want to register a new brand, all you have to do is you have to go on Google and search for Amazon Brand Registry, and then click on this second link which says brandregistry.amazon.com. So when you click on that, you will be able to see this window which says Amazon Brand Registry. So here if you want to add a new brand, all you have to do is click on manage and then click on enroll a brand. And after that, you have to fill out a simple form in which you have to put your brand name, trademark name, brand logo, trademark number, and file that application. And once that application will be approved, then you can go on the same window, put your brand name and add your brand here, right? And if you want to learn how to file your brand registry step by step in such a way that it will get approved and rejection chances will be less, then you can just go on YouTube and type for Amazon Brand Registry with pending trademark. So when you type that, you will see this video of mine. So when you watch that whole video, then you will learn the step-by-step process of getting your brand enrolled with Amazon. So once your brand will be approved, you will get the email, and then you can go on the same page, add your brand, and then you will be having more than one brand in your Amazon Seller Central, and you can basically list new products with any of the brand you want. So I hope after watching this video, you have got your confusion cleared, like if I'm allowed to work with more than one brand in Amazon or not. So if you want to work more than one, then after watching this video, go there, enroll your new brand, and keep growing your Amazon FBA business. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.